Step 8. Top bracket installation. So we're finally going to finish up the frame of the printer with an aluminum extrusion, which happens to be called A3 for some reason, even though there's no sticker on it. And the same bag we used for step 1, the B63. So in that case, the picture shows we've got to put brackets on the inside. So here and there. And since the extrusion goes over the top, that means that the free-flying sort of end has to be on that part. So there. I'm going to add the screw before I do that. That's much easier to manipulate afterwards. Done. So, as I said, like this, and like this. And we put them on the inside, so there and there. It feels a bit weird not to have the extrusion sit flush with the rest, but never mind. Also, it would have been nice to get the same brackets we have here to put there, but I don't think, maybe they would impede the z-axis movement. So I guess it's less sturdy but more range. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them. Of course, I will check the whole frame is square afterwards, but you really don't want to see me rambling for 20 minutes trying to make sure I've got square angles everywhere. So I'll see you in a bit.